Christmas time in the city. We're at the Bath and Body Works, y'all. Ooh,
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart.
It's Christmas time in the city. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I am back again with another video. So we are live on scene. We're at the Bath and Body Works, y'all. And you know what time it is? It's time for Christmas fragrances. It just hit me. The music just hit me too. What is the basket? So let's get ready to smell some scents, y'all. Winter candy apple. Oh, this smells more fruity. It smells good though. I actually think I have the lotion. Somebody gifted it to me last year. Vanilla vanilla. Not really giving me anything.
That lotion was divine.
Let me see. Oh, no, the lotion smells good.
See, I'm debating on, but the soap. Do you think the soap doesn't have much of a scent to it? Like,
Did you smell the candle?
well, I want to give the soap as a gift, but it doesn't smell like the lotion quite. Do you think?
It smells like the candle. It's kind of not giving anything.
Okay. All right. Well,
I think the fall scents are better though. I want Christmassy scent.
oh, you want Christmas one? You're in the corner. What do you think? People want to wash their hands with Christmas tree?
Oh, no, that smells like pine.
Yep. All right.
Yeah.
I'm done. They're all in that corner over there.
Okay, thank you. We have these cute little sets. Oh, these are so cute. Ooh, I love this one. This is so pretty. It's 1,000 wishes. That is so cute. This is twisted peppermint. Let's try this Black Christmas morning. This smells good. It's more fruity. Like a grapefruit almost. It smells good though. I'm looking for more like the fall scents, I guess. I guess they're saying Christmas is more fruity. I don't think so. What do y'all think? Good.
Check on the kitchen line. Oh, she's actually on.
Where do I find the bathroom?
Give me one moment there. Yeah, let me find my seat. There's not many people in here.
Ooh, now this one's good. This one smells really good. But this wallflower kind of smells like poop. This cereal soft serve. It just smells like cereal, right? No, this smells like this. This smells like Auntie Annie's smell. That smells just like Auntie Annie's actually. Raspberry holiday pie bowl. This smells like raspberry. These are super cute. Oh, and they have like little lip masks. Let me see what these are. Okay. So the limited edition dessert menu. 2 out of 10. I didn't even realize that this soft serve cereal, it has a straw on the inside. How cute is that? All of them have like little straws on the inside. Alright, let's smell some candles. Mrs. Claus cocktail. This is very fruity. Now I got cranberry pomegranate frosted citrus juice. Cranberry and eucalyptus. This smells fresh. Too fresh for me, honey. We have the perfect Christmas. Ooh, cinnamon down, okay? Santa's milk and cookies. Ooh, this smells just like a sugar cookie. I love this. Okay, I like that one. We have fresh cinnamon rolls. Now this smells exactly like a cinnamon roll. Exactly. We have hot cocoa and cream. Exactly like hot cocoa. Okay, Bath and Body Works is on it. Let's see. Cinnamon sugar pecan. It's too much cinnamon for me. Let's see, cookie butter truffle. Cookie butter whipped cream and vanilla extract. Maybe it's too much vanilla extract. Bolano. Oh, this is perfect. The perfect milk. This is fresh bergamot, heirloom mahogany, and soft musk. It smells good though. Christmas cabin. No, it don't smell like nothing. It's faint. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Snow covered balsam, rich amber, and sunlit lavender. I don't smell nothing. Marshmallow fireside. Definitely giving marshmallow. Look how they have it on the outside. Can you see it? It looks like a marshmallow. Spice jump. Oh. Candy. Now this is crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, and frosted mint leaves. I ain't gonna like this. It smells just like peppermint, but I really like the name. I think it's cute. OMG.
Thank goodness she's driving.
Alright, so we are done with our dilly dallying for the day. Like, it's nothing more that I love than to, well, one, more than I love the Christmas season, because like it's just a warmth that you feel during this time of season. Like, it's the music, it's the smells, it's just the feeling that you get this time of year. So what better way to dilly dally than to go into Bath and Body Works and just smell all the new smells and all the Christmas fragrances and just all the feels and listen to the Christmas music. It just does something to my heart. Like, I love all the girly things and like perfumes and candles and dilly dallying, doing all that. It just makes me feel so super girly. So thank y'all for coming along with me and for watching this Vlogmas video. Well, we went and dilly dallied in Bath and Body Works and smelled all the holiday fragrances that they have. You know, some of them just not my thing. You know, peppermints and cinnamons, that's just not my thing. I don't know if I'll ever be into that. I haven't reached that level of adulthood yet. But my mama, she's not into cinnamon at all either. So drop down in the comments, y'all. Let me know, what are your favorites? What are your favorite scents for this season at Bath and Body Works? Let me know what scents you just do not like. Are they the same as mine, or let me know just what you're not liking, what you're not feeling. What are your holiday favorites? Drop down in the comments and let me know. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for being tuned into this Vlogmas season. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure that y'all are subscribed to this channel. Make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it, because it's Vlogmas. So you know those videos drop daily, December 1st through December 26th. So you don't want to miss it, because it can come randomly. It can be in the morning, it can be in the evening, it can be at night. You don't want to miss whenever they may drop. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on, y'all. So again, I love y'all, and I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love, and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas video. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas video. Love you guys. Bye.